everybody, it's Gail, thehappystamper.com. Thanks for visiting with me today. I've got a fun card for you today, and I'm only going to do one, but I wanted to share these with you. These are the cards that are in my free kit with purchase. So if you make a purchase through my online Stampin' Up store, the months of September through October, I have a hostess code, and if you use it with a minimum purchase of $40 or more, you will receive this kit. Everything comes cut, assembled, embossed, and ready for you. All you need to do is stamp and put it together. You don't even have to use the same stamp sets that I have. You can use whatever you have. I don't require that you purchase any special stamp sets in order to get the kit. You can use whatever you have on hand. So I did a Facebook Live earlier today going through how to create these, and this is one of the cards. I just love it. I love the wheat in the background. It is so pretty. So pretty. So that is one of the cards that you'll receive. This little cutie is another one. I just love her, and this background is embossed, and that says, "Bubble Bubble, Toil and Trouble, Happy Halloween." Super cute. And this one, I just love this. This says hello, and this can be for anything. Fall, just a hello, Thanksgiving. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I think it's just beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to put this cutie pie together. But these three cards are what you will receive in my free kit for this period. I'll have the hostess code down on the bottom with the valid date. So let's get started. And yeah, it should be fun. All right. So let me get my cards here. Okay. I did a Facebook Live this morning, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to figure out how to upload it to YouTube, so I thought I'm just going to do this real quick. So we are going to be using the Cauldren Bubble. This stamp set has darling little images. She is just the cutest. There are matching dies that come with it, and if you purchase it together, you save 10%. This does not have a stamp set, but it is the cutest little spider web that I have seen some darling projects out of. So again, this is Bubble Cauldren, and that is the product number if you are interested, 147710. Super cute. And I've got my measurements here for you. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock that was cut in half at 5.5. So my card is going to measure 5.5 by 4.25. Okay, that's a pretty standard card size. So that's going to be my card base. My next layer of pumpkin pie, this is going to measure 5.25 by 4. 5.25 by 4. And this piece is going to measure, this is just a piece of Whisper White cardstock, 5 inches by 3 3/4. And we're going to run this one through the Big Shot. I'm also using a circle scallop and the stitch circles. I love that. And then this cute little witch, I just fussy cut her right out of the designer series paper that coordinates with this. All these witches are darling. And this one, this girl, she actually can be cut out with the die. It is just that simple. This is Toil and Trouble designer series paper. I've been using all of them, and they take no time to cut out by hand with a pair of just paper snips. So let's go ahead and start by running that piece through our Big Shot. And for that, I'm going to be using the embossing folder called Sparkle. And it's sparkle. It's just like the name. Embossing adds so much to a card. It's so fun and it's so easy. but it just zhuzhes it up and makes it go from plain to super cute. And yes, I know I need new plates. My plates, oh my goodness, are just goners. And I had my friend Chris over who made a beautiful card. And so she used them, so I need some new ones anyways. But look how pretty that is. Isn't that lovely? It just adds so much. And it's so easy. Easy peasy. All right. Let me grab my snail here. And we will start putting this cute card together. All right. So let's add our embossed piece here, and I'm going to add a lot of snail because sometimes with the raised images they can come off kind of easily. I am not afraid of a little snail, and we're just going to layer this panel right on the front of our card. And I did it again. I forgot to add my ribbon, but that's okay because you know what? This will show you guys how you can fix when you forget to do something. Okay, so I am going to be using this beautiful new ribbon. It is so sparkly. I love it. And it's just called glittered organdy ribbon. And I hope that's picking up for you. But, oh, it is just divine. So I am going to, I wanted this around the front. And I, of course, forgot to do it. So I'm going to do it this way because it has to be on there. So I'm just going to add my little ribbon like so before I put it down. And this happens. We forget things sometimes. Okay, see that was supposed to go right across the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bust out my ATG and I'm going to put it right on the back of both sides, and my problem will be solved. I'm just going to put this right about there. Looks good. I think that's right. Let's see. I don't usually use these scissors, but that's okay. I can do it. I can do it. I'll just clean them off when I'm through. So then it looks like it's just going across the front. I cut that a little trim on that side, but that's okay. You get the gist of it. You get the gist of it. Okay, so I've got my ovals ready to go. I think this is the cutest. The stitching is so darling, and there just is nothing better than cute little, it's like gingham. I love gingham. It just makes everything so cute. And here's this little girl. I just cut her out by hand. Easy peasy, not a big deal. I'm just going to put her in the center of my oval. Add some snail here to the back. And then I'm going to adhere this one in the center of this. And this is pumpkin pie, if I didn't mention that earlier. And now we're going to just pop her up. And if you aren't following the Happy Stamper over on Facebook, please do. I give a card away when I do Facebook Lives. And I send one to one lucky little person that is watching. And so today I will do the same. I'm going to be mailing out this card. I asked everybody what their favorite color was because I had a bunch of them in different colors. So I'm just going to adhere that to the side and adjust this little bow a little bit. And maybe let's trim this one on an angle. Just a skosh. Cute. So there you have it, you guys. That is how quick and easy that card goes together. Easy peasy, super cute. Again, here is a green, actually I should call it lemon lime twist. That's what that was. And then here is another pumpkin pie, just with a little bit different of a girl. And again, that is using Cauldren Bubble. Oh, and before I forget, let's not forget our inside sentiment, shall we? I am going to use our Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I have chosen Bubble Bubble Toil and Trouble Happy Halloween. Eee! It's so cute. Super cute. All right, so there you go, guys. There are a couple more other colors for you. I had other ones, and I don't know where they went, but I made a ton of these. So there you have it, you guys. Easy peasy. I hope you like this video. I hope this gives you some inspiration. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down below. And remember, you will get all of the cards and the kits, one of these and one of these, if you use the hostess code when placing a $40 order through my website. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.